Part 3, so it's really yummy when I dip in. Oh my god, it's really soft. This is why I'm unsafe. When I literally want to drink Coca-Cola, I thought I'm safe. But I forgot that when I drink, the water sounds like this. Jaeger. No, no. No. The caramel is kind of melting. Just continue eating. Let's wait. If my battery percentage comes to 25, I'm gonna end this video. If my percentage goes 95, you all, my viewers need to follow me and subscribe.